is the road you see from the Castle Wilhelmshöhe here in Kassel, Germany. So this is the long road actually. Come and join us. Ayun ang Kassel, Germany. Oh. Doon pala kami nando sa Kassel na yun. Tapos yun yung mahabang daan. Ayun. Kita doon. Kassel, Germany. We are in Löwenberg Castle at the moment. At yun ang buong Kassel, Germany. Kassel, Germany from far. Okay. Ayun o. Malayo kami. Dito kami sa bundok.
This is also what you saw, huh?
Oh, yeah, we saw this one. From up. Ito yung nakita namin sa taas. Yung picture, not video.
And also with the fireworks?
Yeah, with the fireworks. Yeah. So the
I only heard it.
So ito yung daan. Looks so beautiful.
And on the back you see the castle.
Yeah. If you're going up, normally we always came from there, and we saw the castle. That's why we went there.
Somewhere here
Yeah,
to the left.
Yeah. And we even went for gasoline there. That gasoline station somewhere. And we saw the castle. Make a picture. Beautiful light, star in the road. And here you remember?
Yeah.
Castle station. I made a picture here.
That's because you make picture everywhere.
Ano ba yan? Nasa tramway tayo. Dire-diretso yung daan from the castle. Ayan, dire-diretso siya hanggang doon sa dulo. Diba? Dire-diretso stop. Dire-diretso pa rin ang kalsada mula doon. Nakalampas na tayo ng station eh. Yan pa rin. Haba ng daan, dire-diretso lang yung nakikita natin mula
Stay
sa
in the right lane.
castle. Ayun, diretso pa rin ang daan. Dire-diretso. Ganyan, diretso lang siya. Diretso pa din ang daan mula doon sa castle.
In 1 kilometer, turn right onto Schönfelderstraße.
Diretso pa rin. Diretso ang daan. Ang ganda ng building, ganda ng painting. At yun ang kanilang train.
Go past these lights. Then at the next set, turn right.
Diretso tayo. Ay, diretso pa rin. Napakalayong diretso. Ilang kilometro pa yung
At the lights,
diretso.
turn right onto Schönfelderstraße.
Niliko na kami na lang ang sumuko. We will turn to the right na. Kasi haba pa rin ang diretso. Haba ng diretso pa rin pero kami liliko na.